not me. Me and Susie Q, we were just having a little subitizing party. Oh yes, we were, boys and girls. It was so much fun. I just love dancing. But Mrs. Sensible, yeah, Susie Q, what is subitizing? Well, that's a very good question, Susie Q. You know what? Let's ask Google. Hey, Google, what does subitizing mean?
Instantly seeing how many. On the website thoughtco.com, they say, subitizing means instantly seeing how many. Math educators have discovered that the ability to see numbers in patterns is the foundation of strong number sense.
Okay, thanks, Google. Did that answer your question, Susie Q? No, I really don't know what they were talking about. Well, you know what, Susie Q? Maybe I can explain it a little bit better. Now, when you are subitizing, all that means is that you're able to, you see a quantity of objects and you already know how many there are without having to count them one at a time. Like, for example, if I were to show you this big dice, let's see. If I were to show you this big dice, Susie Q, and I showed you this number right here, how many is that? Well, that's 1. Very good, you just subitized the number 1. What if I showed you that number? Oh, that's 3. Do you see what I mean? It's about being able to recognize an amount of objects, in this case it's the amount of dots on the dice, without having to count them one at a time. Now, believe it or not, most adults can only subitize up to 5. Whoa! Yeah, that's right, it's so true. Most adults can subitize up to 5, and when we start seeing bigger numbers or groups of quantities of things that are bigger than 5, then our brains automatically put them into groups. Like maybe if it was 7 dots, we would see a group of 5 and a group of 2. And then we would know that it was 7. But for you boys and girls, for right now, we're just going to work on subitizing from 1 to 5. And I have a nice little game that actually we're going to make so that you could practice subitizing using a dice. Now, you might not have a big dice like this one, but you might have some little dice from a board game that you're welcome to use. And I know I said we're only going to subitize 1 to 5, but we know that on a dice it has 6 faces because it is, what shape is that, Susie Q? Oh yeah, that's a cube. That's right, that's our 3D shape of cube, and we know a cube has 6 faces, so a dice has numbers from 1 to 6. So I'm going to show you a little game that you can make using a dice and a simple piece of paper. All right, Susie Q, I'm going to put you down over there, and you watch how we make the game, okay? Okay. All right. Here we go. Now, all you need to make the game is a piece of paper, a dice, and a marker. So you're just going to take any color marker that you like, and you're going to write the numbers 1 to 6 on the page. But don't do them in the right order. You can mix them up. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, you could do the numbers 1 to 6 more than once if you wanted to, but you don't have to. You could just do it one time and play the game like this. So you can just use a different colored marker if you wanted to, or if you have a bingo dabber, they're lots of fun to use. And all you do is you will roll your dice. Now you probably don't have a big one, you're going to use a little one, but this is be easier for you to see the number that I roll. So I'm going to roll it. Oh, now take a look. How many is that? That's right, that's 3. So then I'm going to look on my paper, find the 3, and I'll put a dot on it. There we go. And then I'll roll the dice again. And I'll roll it. Oh, what's that one? Yeah, that's 2. That's the number 2. There's 2 dots there. And so again, I'll look at my paper, I'll give it a dot, and boys and girls, you would carry on doing that until you were able to put a mark on each one of your numbers. And playing simple games like that will teach you how to subitize from 1 to 5. But on a dice, we get to do it till 6. And that's kind of special too. All right, boys and girls. Well, I think Susie Q and I are going to finish up our subitizing party. And I hope that you learned a little bit about what it means to subitize. And I hope that you have fun making your very own subitizing game. All right, are you ready to party, Susie Q? Oh yeah! Can you say bye to the boys and girls first? Bye-bye, until next time. Bye, boys and girls.